this is one of the purpose, so you know what is the shape. That's why we put it up. And hello guys, look, there was 3 cameras, one in the garage right on top, and one in the basement, and one in the plate. And these are 2 what are we going to open, okay?
What brand are those?
Those brand is
Wyze.
Wyze Cam Pan.
Can you show them? Thank you. Let's open.
Yes, it will open.
Can I help you?
Yes, just a minute. Stop.
Let me do a little bit.
Oh. Stop to open like this and open out of this trash. This is put it in the trash and then open this heavy box. Open this. I think I need help. Okay, it's open now. We got
What is this? Can you talk about it?
We got
What is this?
a menu.
It's a quick start guide.
What is this?
It's a camera protection.
In case if the camera almost broken, we can put this.
What is this? I wonder what this is.
This is a camera.
Okay.
Just like I'm watching this camera, it's a camera.
Oh, is this the same camera that you're doing your video in?
Yes.
Okay. What else do they got in the box?
We have a holder.
A stand?
Yeah, a stand.
A wall mount?
Yeah, wall mount.
Okay. What else do they got?
We got a thing that moves it. How can you turn
What's in
off
this?
it?
Can you show your viewers?
This is a battery. What is this? And this is trash.
Yeah.
Is that trash good smeller?
Mm-hmm. What else you got?
We got a thing that it plugs into the camera.
Into the camera?
Yes.
And then what is this? It's an adapter.
Yes, an adapter.
It's a wall plug. You got a mount.
Yes.
We got some hardware.
Yes, to fix the.
And then we got the cam pan itself.
Yes.
And then we got the charging port here.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Can you put the charging
Port. Charging port. Charging port. Okay. What this goes in here. Okay.
It's ready to go?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we put this camera right here.
Hey, where?
Right here. Okay. Now it's ready to set. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. But we got another present that we opened this one. We opened this one. Next time we will open this one. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to my channel, MnM. Thanks for watching.